Hey, my name's Brody, and I'm here to show you how to set up your Flangoo account. So when you get into class, your teacher's going to give you a link that looks a lot like this. And basically what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to copy it and paste it right into a new tab. And it's going to bring you here. You're going to want to start signing up just by basic name or whatever. And just Brody Wilson, whatever your name is. And then choose a class. Whatever class is yours, you just click on it. And then add a password. I'm just going to set mine as ABC123. And register. Once you sign up, you're going to get this login code. It's like a user ID. You're going to make sure you copy it down somewhere, so you will be able to remember it, just in a notepad and whatever you really find that may be helpful. And I hate that I just said that. If your teacher assigns you a book to read, you have it all right at the front page. It says your due date, it says what class you have it in, and all you have to do is just click Go to Reader. The play button down at the bottom will play the audio for you. And then on the bottom right here, this changes the speed of which the reader reads it to you. You could have it slow or fast. Meaning if they're talking too fast and you can't really get it, you can just slow it down. Any of the words that are underlined, that's the glossary. You just hover over them and it shows you the definition. This mouse feels so weird to me. Oh, by the way, you're probably gonna have my gamer sweat on your mouse now. If you have free voluntary reading, you can just come down here with the levels, and these arrow keys will show you all the books on that level that you can read. Once you've finished reading a book, you can come over to the page again and actually rate this book. You can rate it and also leave a comment, but you can only do that upon finishing the whole entire book, or it won't let you click it. You can just click on the stars to give it how many stars you felt like it deserved, and you can leave a comment. Well, no, that is permanently going to be on that book. The next time you go to log in, go to the Flangoo account, not this link that your teacher sent you. Just straight to the website, hit student sign in. You gotta type down the code that you had in your notepad and put in your password, and you're in. If you forget your password or your code, you need to go to your teacher to reset it. Then once your teacher resets it and gives you a new login, you can go to my account and change your password. I think that's everything, so thanks for watching. I always look over to the side and I wonder if that's going to be in one of the cuts where you just see me like, hey.
Flangoo.com